Hello YouTubers, welcome to video number 3, and this is going to be the last video for this one. Okay, so today we're going to do some rigging for this character, but before we do that, please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now in order for us to do the work cycles, I'll need to add additional bones. Okay, so go to bone, go here, bone, make sure nothing is selected, and then let's do additional bone. You can do like a point, or you can do this way. Okay, this one we'll call it BR, bone right. Okay, let's do another one which we'll be doing here, and this one we'll call it bone left. We will make sure those bones have zero influence, otherwise they're gonna mess with the rest of the rigging. Okay, just click 0 here. Sometimes that works much better. Okay, now what we're gonna do, we are going to select this bone constraint. I'm just gonna leave them for 120 for now. I like to do them 120 and bone constraint and leave them for 120. You can do squash and stretch. We could leave it in 1 squash. You don't have to, but just leave it like that for now. Okay, now select these two bones here, this bone and that bone. If you select those, go to bone constraint, and then we are going to do 120 for that, 130. Okay, now select that bone constraint, target, that one is gonna be BL, and it's been added here. Okay, if I select this one and I'm gonna go to bone constraint, BR. Okay, so now we can get natural movement. So if I move this and try to manipulate that, you can see we get natural movement. Okay, we do have problem with the skirt. In that situation, we need to go back to here and go to the skirt, and then we need this skirt to be in this bone here, this bone. Okay, now let us try to manipulate again and see what will happen. Yeah, perfect, perfect. One more things, because we're gonna do this, we need to create, I believe, smart bone for the leg. So let's create extra smart bone for this one. Okay, go back and create another smart bone. Which is B13, and go to 24 and use this. So when the leg goes here, we can go to the skirt and stretch it. Let's use this stretch. Okay, let me select a few points first. Maybe these points. See if we can just stretch those along. No. So we will need to use this to make sure when the leg goes that side, and this stretch this way. Because we don't want the leg to be outside. So for example, yeah, it has to be that way. Otherwise the leg is gonna be out. Okay. Go back to main and then do the same for the other, for this one. Create the smart bone for that, and then go to 24 and this one here. Once it goes there, go back to the skirt, and then we bring the skirt that side slightly like this. Okay. Now when the leg goes there, it goes with the skirt. Okay. Now we can start rigging the character. Okay. So we are going to create simple work cycle. This is my timeline. I will go all the way to, I need first to click the main man here, and while you are in manipulate here, I will go all the way to number 12 first, and I will use my control bonds here. So this is my control bond, bring it here, and use this one, bring it like this. Now do the opposite for the hand, bring this here, and the other hand, bring it to the back. Okay. When we do that, bring this down. Slightly down. Go to 24, do the opposite. Check your rigging here. Sometime it mess about like that. Okay. But okay, I think we are fine. With the opposite, it's there. Then we need to bring this hand here and the other hand there. Okay. Just like that. Okay, go to number 6 and bring this up. So since we started with that one, so this leg now need to be this way, and this one bring it here. Don't worry about this, we will correct it, and we can do it right now because that is the left palm, which needs to be somewhere. Oh, I move different things. That the left shoe, which need to be somewhere like there. Okay. Where's the left leg? Here. Okay. So go back here. As you can see, nicely down, up, down, bring, come here on the 18. Now it is time to bend this leg now by using our control and bring this one down, just like this. Down, bring it up, like here, and down. Okay. 1, 2. So okay, let's have a look now. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Okay, you can copy this and do circle, right click if you want, but I don't like to do that. So this is not gonna stop, it's gonna continue. Okay, but I don't wanna do circle, just I'll rather copy those. I'm gonna copy those steps and control V here. So let's see. So you can see smooth walking with this character. We don't need to do anything with the head. I'm happy with the movement of the hands and everything. Okay, once you've done that, close this one. Copy all these layers, Control C, and go. Now make sure you are not in any bone selected. go to style and create action. This action is gonna be walk, and then Control V to paste. So now we do have this. If you go here and delete everything here, now if I go slightly here, don't need to reset, select walk and add that. So the character will start walking, as you can see. Okay, I'm gonna save this because I haven't saved anything yet, so I don't want to lose that. Okay, now that's the first walk cycles. The second one, we are going to do like maybe jump. Okay, with the jumping, we are going to select the man here and select here and move our cursor maybe 12 again and do manipulate. Maybe here. Yeah, don't worry about this because we are going to correct those. Let's have a look. Maybe before going to jump, this character should do this first. Okay, that is a mistake. Maybe slightly down and then up. Okay, let's test this rigging, and then after that you can always bring this character like maybe front by using this if you want, and then you can bring the character down again by using the use your control to go down. But the best way to do it, okay, forget about that. I think it's best that this character jump at the same place rather than jump into different place. Okay. Which is, we did not want that. So we need to go back. Okay, so bring this character where it was. I'm gonna delete this. Up. And here I'm going to bring back this. Let's have a look. And then here I will bring 0.0. Let's have a look. I think this jump is much better. Okay, then copy again, Control C or Control X, select no bone and go here and select jump. And Control V to add that, save. Okay, go to main line, move forward. What we want to do, for example, sitting down. Okay, so move this to slide maybe number 24 and bring this just like this. And you can always change the skirt to follow this movement. Not facing fancy this one. I think I'm okay with the others, so I'll not do this one because it's gonna be so much to do. Okay. Okay, so the other one maybe we could do is like this and this and this. When we do that, then we need to go to the skirt and do similar things like this. Something like that will do. Go to the shirt and bring this up. Maybe if we bring this slightly down here, let's have a look. Okay, that didn't work. That did not work as well. Okay. We could try to do, you know, some characters we could try to do maybe like sitting down. We can bring this character all the way down to the floor. Like this. But then because we are using the skirt, if it was like a normal trousers, it will follow. So there's a limited things you can do. Otherwise, if you take your time and start adjusting this point and bring them up, bring them down the way you want it. But at the moment, I think we can do limited things with this character. Okay, so in that situation, the rest is gonna be your time, and this character will be available in the link in the description box below. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and like it, and add any comment if you have not understood anything. Bye bye.